It was the first painting experience for the little boys. This is Expert Painters Corporation's one-day painting experience in 2017. This is a client's residence in Setagaya. In this video, we show you our one-day experience event. In this event, our skillful painter painted the house with our client's two sons. First, our client's oldest son, who is 6 years old, faced the wall with a paint roller. Followed by his younger brother with a smaller roller in his hand. Our painter Hoshino, who was in charge of this location, carefully taught the boys how to paint their wall by putting his hand on a boy's roller. The older one painted the wall freely. The younger boy moved his hand earnestly. The older brother moved the roller boldly, and the younger one carefully. Soon they completely painted the wall, and their one-day event came to an end. It looks like the older boy wants to paint more walls. They took a picture in front of the wall. Here are their comments.
楽しかった。楽しかったです。
Hoshino the painter handed out a gift saying, "Thank you." The boys got gift cards. They received the first reward for their first painting job. There were more episodes after this. 3 days later, our client left his kids' handprints. On the wall, our painter had finished painting. Now they have been rewarded an unforgettable memory.